Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do a lab on density. For this experiment, you will need a plastic tote filled halfway up with water, a plastic bottle filled halfway up with water, a penny, and aluminum foil. I have attached a copy of your data result sheet that you will need to print off. For all these objects, I want you first to predict if the object will sink or float, and then we're going to test it and to see if it sinks or floats, and then I want you to record your results. So after you have your plastic tote filled with water, take your penny, predict if it's going to sink or float, and then place it into the tote. Since my tote is already filled, I'm going to place my penny into the tote. Wow, my penny sank. Did your penny sink? I hope so. All right, next let's try aluminum foil. So get your piece of aluminum foil and lay it flat on the surface of the water. What did your aluminum foil do? Mine floated. I hope your prediction was correct. Next, I want you to take this piece of aluminum foil and crumple it up into a loosely ball. Once you have your aluminum foil crumpled up into a ball, then place it into the tote. What happened to the aluminum foil? Mine slowly sank to the bottom of my tote. I wonder why the aluminum foil that was flat floated, but the aluminum foil that was crumpled up into the ball sank. Interesting. Now let's get your plastic bottle that's filled halfway up with water. Let's place it vertically or horizontally into the tote. My plastic bottle floated. That's interesting because this plastic bottle weighs a lot more than this penny and more than this crumpled up piece of aluminum foil. Interesting. Now let's place the plastic bottle with water vertically into the tote. Mine sank straight to the bottom, as I'm sure you heard the noise. Well, I wonder why this happened. Well, density is a relationship between the mass of the substance and how much space it takes up. So the aluminum foil that was crumpled up into the ball takes up much less space than when it is a flat piece of foil. However, the water in this plastic bottle is all condensed into this bottle in the bottom half of the portion of the bottle. However, when you flip it horizontally, the water displaces throughout the whole entire bottle, which causes it to float. Objects that float have a density less than water, and objects that sink have a density greater than water. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you.